Impostor Flaky, you're grounded. Fine, screw you, jerk. And don't talk like that either. Why do I have to clean all of that? Because you didn't do your chores. Or I wanted to be done now. Well, if you're done, maybe you wouldn't clean it. And besides, you know, if you just clean it anyway and deal with it, you could go trip to the United Kingdom with me. Oh my gosh, I want to go! Jail! Calm down. When chores are done, wow, the room is clean. Maybe Impostor Flaky is going to UK with us after all. 1 week later, okay, kids, we got the suitcase ready and get ready to the airport. At the airport, okay, it will be a total of $10. Here you go. I'm bored. Maybe I should watch some Skibbity Toilet stuff.
What the heck is going on?
Hey, I was watching that. You know you're not allowed to watch brain rot. Let me watch brain rot now. Nope. And you're grounded from it anyway, so bump it. Ah! Give me back my laptop. 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 No! Impostor Flaky, stop throwing a fit. You are not watching your brain rot. Give it back, you dirty scammer. Hey! Don't call me that dirty word again. You will not get this back. What is going on here? I will tell you, this scammer took my laptop while I was watching Skibbity Toilet. Take her jail. No, that's not what I'm doing. I took it away because he's grounded from it, and he's not supposed to watch brain rot. Your mom is right, so I won't I won't kick her out at all, but you, because you're gonna be on no-fly list. No, please. I love everything but object check, especially no-fly list. Well, that's what you get for throwing a tantrum. Mr. Strong is right. You're not supposed to throw tantrums during the takeoff. Now let's kick you out. Wait! No. Ow. Yahoo! I finally get to have a great trip without Impostor Flaky. Woo! 2 months later, you are grounded. Get to your room right now. Wow!